Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a snack with plantain and eggs. A steamed plantain cake. It's also called as Kaipola, and this is a famous recipe in Malabar. You need 3 ripe plantains for this recipe. I'm peeling each plantain and you have to cut this into small triangle shapes. Take that into a bowl and keep it aside. Now heat a pan, add some clarified butter and fry some cashew nuts. Once it turns into golden shade, take it out. Now into the same pan, add the chopped plantains and fry it till it changes its color to a golden shade. Now into a blender, add in 3 whole eggs, some sugar, cardamom powder and some milk. Blend it really well. Pour it into a bowl. Into that, add in the warm fried plantains. Mix it. Now here I am using a milk pan so that I'll get the shape of a cake. Grease it with some butter and pour the mixture in. Make sure all the plantain pieces are immersed in the liquid. Now you have to place the pan on another tawa and then cook it on a very low flame for 20 minutes. In between, open the pan and add some cashew nuts and let it cook for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, slide a spatula on the side and flip this onto another greased pan and cook this on a very low flame for another 5 minutes. And the top portion of this cake will also get cooked really well. Now our steamed plantain cake with egg is ready. We can garnish it with some nuts. And when you cut out a piece, you can see the beautiful triangle plantain pieces inside. This is a perfect snack to have in the evening. You can also serve this as a dessert. It's very tasty. Definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe and like this video.